My correct people, drug abuse don become silent killer for our society today. Boys wey suppose be leaders of our society now dey roam streets like lost souls. Temporarily high, permanent pain. Wetin be the fate of our youth today? Na me be your correct and kind man papa, Kabdaberechukwu Nwaneri. They present this important topic for Life No Balance TV so that we go fit balance the life. Yes, this topic dey pain me well well. We dey try provide solution to wetin dey happen for our society, make our society better. Before, most of our youth dey dream big, but this time around, some of them don turn to junkies or drug addicts because of pressure, bad friends, and frustrations. Yes, some of them dey take am to reduce pain, but instead of it to reduce pain, e dey add more problem to their lives. Drug effect dey too bad o. E dey cause health problem like mental disorder. Yes, e dey scatter family. E dey kill dreams slowly. E dey promote crimes, people wey dey steal. Yes, most of the parents dey cry today because of wetin drug don cause to their children. Yes, no let anybody deceive you into drug at all. Enjoyment no dey for drug. Yes, real enjoyment dey for good health, peace of mind, and secured future. Instead of you to use that energy to chase drug, use am to plan and hustle, and also acquire skill for the betterment of yourself and the society in general. My brother, my sister, one bad decision fit destroy destiny, but one good decision fit change life forever. Choose life, choose freedom, and say no to drug abuse. Yes, na your correct street and kind man papa, Kabdaberechukwu Nwaneri, bring you this important topic today. Yes, do not fail to subscribe to my channel. Abeg, make una dey subscribe, make e dey reach to wider audience for our society. Na this topic we need these days. Yes, make we try balance our life for society. Share, comment, and like this channel. Stay tuned till next time. I love you all, my fans. Bye.